Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing well. The markets are near the all-time highs. Only two things are possible from here: newer highs or a phase of correction. We must be ready for both. Let us talk about this stock which I have chosen for this week. As you can see, it is D-Link India Limited. This is an IT share, and this company deals in manufacturing of hardware components like Wi-Fi routers, modems, smart home gadgets, CCTV cameras, etc. The fundamentals of the company are good. Recently, past month, it posted good profits. This is a small cap company. Let us now have a look at the chart. As we can see, the price was in uptrend since March 2020 when it formed the base, and then it went sideways and was consolidating since then. As we can see, the price has formed a rounding bottom pattern and it is in uptrend since the month of May 2021. Here we can see that this was a resistance zone between rupees 130 and 137, and it has crossed this resistance zone. Now with the help of Fibonacci extension, we will find our next targets. The first target should be between rupees 150 and 155, and the second target should be between rupees 175 and 185, and the third target should be of rupees 234 according to the Fibonacci extension tool. The first target can be achieved within a week. The second target could take about 4 to 6 weeks, and the third target will obviously take much more time, around 8 to 12 weeks, because the price will need some correction to go this high. Also, correction ensures the sustainability of a trend. If the price closes below rupees 130, we must think of exiting the stock. Please do note that these are not buy or sell recommendations. This is my analysis of the stock. You must plan your risk and reward and then invest in the stock. That is all in this video. Please do like the video if you found it helpful. Also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.